What we're talking about is a stained hardwood floor versus a natural or unstained hardwood floor. Now, we are Really Cheap Floors. That means we sell a lot of lower graded floors. But what we're going to talk about today is the variation in color. So in red oak, we get a pretty large variation in color. And if we're running that in a natural floor, or if it's already been ran in natural, it's been finished, okay? So this variation, when we put that down on the floor, we get a wide range of color. We've got dark boards, light boards, red boards, gray boards, all kinds of things. And while that doesn't sound very attractive, when we look at it in a finished floor or a mosaic, it's very attractive to some people. Now, if you're going in a real formal house, you don't want to use number 2 common red oak or cabin grade red oak. But for a cabin or a little more rustic setting, hey, that's a great idea, and it's also a great value. But the flip side of that is a lot of times that floor was stained. So if you've got a floor that's stained gunstock or a saddle or even one of your even darker colors, it takes the vast majority of that contrast out of what we see in the natural floor, and it makes it a more consistent color. Now, I'm not telling you that a saddle or gunstock floor, because it's stained, moves from a cabin grade up to a builder grade or first quality, okay? That's not what I'm trying to tell you. But I can tell you it's going to have a very different visual than a natural cabin grade floor, okay? If you're looking to save money but you don't want the real rustic looking floor, hey, look at some of these stains. Now butterscotch is a light color. It doesn't change near as much as the gunstock does, and the gunstock doesn't change as much as the saddle does. But if you're really needing to save money, and right now I know a lot of people, including myself, are, and that's what we do well here. Is we're not great at everything, but on the wood that is lower end, whether it's off goods or just low graded, small lots, whatever it is, we can save you some money here. That's really what we do, okay? So if you have any questions, if you want to talk about our inventory, especially our small lots that are scattered all around me here, pick up the phone, give us a call. We'd love to help you with that.